Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with her June favorite. How are you guys doing? How is life treating you? I haven't seen the sun in 3 weeks, so I'm not happy. But I am pushing through. It's hard to do anything when there is just rain every single day and you barely can see the sun. And you're not energized. So hopefully we get some sun soon. And I decided to come up. I'm sorry that this lash is falling off. But I decided, I haven't worn lashes in maybe 2 months. A month. I'm going to say a month. And then it's funny having them back on my eyes again. So absolutely. I'm going to show you guys the 5 things that I've been loving for the month of June. How are you guys doing for the month of June? How is the month treating you? It's been hectic, busy here. Got to go to New York for graduation. And then right after that, the next weekend, we have to go to Orlando. And I'm praying that it does not storm for the kids at the water park. So we'll see how it goes. It's just been real ugly for the month of June. So hopefully it clears up eventually. I'll start with the first palette. This is one of my favorites for the month of June. This is the Winky Lux Kitten palette from Boxy Charms. This color here is gorgeous. Also the one in the middle. The one in the middle I use for work. So it is the holographic in 9 lives and the cat eye. Cat eye is very pretty too. And the colors on this is really, really amazing, you guys. Hopefully, there we go. It's pretty. This is really nice. I've been trying to do the holographic look for the spring. I really enjoyed it. This is going to be the highlighter that I've been wearing. It's from Naked Cosmetics. Alright, and these highlighters are gorgeous. I've been wearing the highlights too. The main one that I use the most is this one right here. It's simply pretty. It's gorgeous. It's a beautiful color. So, favorite highlighter for the month of June by Naked Cosmetics. It's that holographic look that everybody's doing, so I've been just testing the waters out. The third item that I loved is by Cover FX. It's the Shimmer Veil. It's a beautiful color. Just giving that holographic look too. And I've been wearing this on my shoulders, clavicle, here. Sometimes on the face, but mainly on the shoulders when I go out and have brunch. It's another item that I love. Here is another by Profusion. I wore this all last year summer. And I brought it back and I love it. This is not what's on my lips today. I have on Kylie. I have on this one today. And this is my favorite. This is really nice for the summer. And my 5th item, I've been wearing out my natural hair. And I love this product by Sheer Moisture, the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. And I just leave this on and I'll wash it out maybe a day or 2 later, like a deep treatment. And I love this. This is really nice. It's good. It's very good. And there you guys have it. Let's see if I could hold them all up for you guys. Pretty. There we go. Here go the 5 favorites for the month of June. Hopefully you guys are safe and just weathering the storm here in South Florida. We're just trying to keep ourselves afloat and just trying to keep ourselves prepared. And that was my favorites. I hope you guys continue on being a blessing to others. And I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye.